they thought I was finished, dog. Whole city jump behind me, now I get more racks than a tennis ball. And you know ain't no looking back. The streets brought the hustle out of me. I was sick of eating pot of meat. Ramen noodles all through the week. The struggle was ugly, made something out of nothing.
What it do, man? 78Chevyboi, what's going on? Y'all see where I'm at, man. Old Harbor Freight tools, man. Yesterday I started cleaning up my garage a little bit. I also I had like a wood workbench in there. If y'all don't remember, you should remember. I had a lot of stuff just laying up there. Wasn't even really using it, man. Had not touched a lot of that stuff in years. So man, I took that whole workbench up out of there. Threw out a lot of stuff that I didn't need or didn't want anymore. Then I went to Home Depot last night and got me some shelving. You know, I got like 8 L brackets and some wood just to put up 4 more shelves at the top so I can just get stuff off the floor, just clean up my garage, man. So that's gonna be another project, putting the shelves up. So I'm gonna vlog that too. But now I'm at Harbor Freight. I'm finna buy me a toolbox, man. I've been thinking about it, man. The last few times I've been over my homeboy's house, I see they got toolboxes and they stuff all organized and stuff, man. So I'm finna go ahead and get my stuff together. I don't have a whole lot of tools. I'm not a big mechanic or nothing, but I got a decent amount of tools that need to be in one spot. Yeah, I bought me some more pegs for my peg board. Bought me some more hooks that I can put in the wall. Man, I got me a stud finder, man. I'm finna, man, utilize this time that I got off. And man, we finna do some do-it-yourself projects in the garage, man. But I ain't even gonna tell y'all which toolbox I'm gonna get yet. I'm just gonna wait and show y'all when I got it at the house, when I'm unboxing it or whatever. But I might do a little video while we in here looking at some of the toolboxes, and y'all will see which one I pick. All right, man. Stay tuned. 78Chevyboi, man. We vlogging today, baby. All right. Yeah, man. They got some nice little toolboxes in this joint, man. They got some nice toolboxes in here. I'll let y'all take a look at them, man. See what we're working with. See what y'all think, man. All right. See, I got a couple things in the basket already, man. Yeah, you got this US General. This the 4 jar. No. This the 1 drawer, man. It ain't but $89. $89, man. So it got the lid on it. You got the lid that lifts up and down with the deep tray, with the deep top drawer. Screwdriver holders on this side. Then we just got 1 drawer with 2 shelves down there. It's $90. $90. It ain't bad. Ain't bad. Then you got the this is the 30-inch 4 drawer. It got 4 drawers on it. It also has the lid on it that lets down. Hydraulic lid on it. This one ain't bad for $189. $189. Got 4 drawers on it. 2 right there. 3. Got the 4th one. That ain't bad. Then they come in all colors too. You got 6 different colors. For $189, man. Let's go on down here to this end. These right here, these are 5 drawer. 5 drawer. These right here. How many cubic inches does it hold? It holds 12,600 cubic inches. storage. How many pounds? 580 pound capacity. So this the next one, the U.S. General 30-inch 5-drawer. This the 5-drawer jump right here. And man, they got 7 different colors. They got the white, yellow, orange, red, black, green, and blue. And these jumps right here, super nice. You know Harbor Freight always running specials and stuff, so I'm gonna ask somebody and I'm gonna look up to see if there are any coupons out there. Okay, like a magnetic tray. So they got all kind of little accessories for it, man. It's a magnetic tray. Okay. Magnetic tray. Then it comes with a little tray on the side. Like you can put your little WD-40 and stuff in there. So here's sweet though. So you got 5 drawers. Got the top on it. So you can use this top part like as a workbench. It also has the hydraulic. Okay, then this one got a little side tray on it. Let me see if I can. Move it. I got the wheels locked. See if I can lift this up. Okay. Okay. It'd be like another little side table, like workbench type of deal. This 15,000 cubic inches of storage with how much capacity? How much? 700 pounds. And it's a cart, it swivels. You can push it around, so that's a good thing. That's a good thing. But I think you have to pay for this separate though. This little tray, I think it comes separate. That ain't no biggie though. I think it's $29. It's $29 for this. We'll see though. We'll see though. So this one's $239, which that ain't a bad price either. See. Oh, okay. These drawers got locks on them. Okay, that was a little deeper. Okay. And it got a little shelf at the bottom. And it got a little shelf at the bottom. I'm feeling this right there. This 5-drawer. I don't know, man. You know we on a budget. So I'm gonna see what they talking about with the if they got any coupons. So they got all kind of little accessories for them. See? Glove dispenser, spray can and screwdriver holder, all that magnetic. Paper towel holder. Paper towel holder on that gun, man. These little bumper guards, you know, to keep from scratching it up. You place them right here. You'll place them there. But man, I'm trying to see. I already got my little socket trays to hold my sockets. Got a plier tray. Trying to get organized, y'all. I know this video a little lengthy, man, but hey, we're gonna make it work though. We're gonna make it work. So I'm gonna go ahead and talk to these people, pick up some other stuff I need to get. I know I need to get a I need to get a leveler and see if they got any other deals, coupons, 20% off, how they be doing it, man. And I'm gonna narrow down which one I want, pick up my other items. I gotta get another flashlight. So we'll be back, man. Maybe be at the house when I get through. But we'll see. Keep it locked, man. All right. Yeah, man, I narrowed it down to the one I want. But how about they don't have any in stock? She checked the other stores. It's one store 30 minutes away on the other side of town. They say they have one. She looking in the computer. The girl said they actually have one, but the girl here say she think it's the one on their display, and they don't sell the displays. I just tried to buy one of them. They won't sell it, so I'm finna ride over here, man. Y'all wish me luck, man. I'm finna go over here to, on Summer Avenue. I'm in South Haven right now, so I'm finna go over here on Summer Avenue and see who they got the joints. Right now, at this point, whatever color it is, I got to roll with it. I hope it ain't white, though, so we'll see in a minute. All right. Which color toolbox should I get for my garage? They sold out, so I guess I gotta order it. I'm gonna go check one more store. I guess I gotta order it, man. So if this one store don't have it, they said they had one in stock, but they didn't say what color. So I really like all of them except white. I really don't want a white one. So if I had to order it, which one y'all think I should get? Drop a comment. Yeah, man, we back in midnight. That's when my wife called her truck, man. She called it old midnight, black on black. So, man, we finna roll over here on Summer Avenue and check the Harbor Freight over there, man, and see who they got the toolbox I want. If they don't have it, man, I'm just gonna order it. They say it probably come in within a week or a week and a half, something like that. So, it's sprinkling now. I was gonna put my shelves up today, but I looked at it, it said rain early, and then, you know, it's supposed to clear up. So if it clears up, I'll be bagging Penny out, and we're gonna be putting the shelves up because they're gonna be on Penny's side of the wall. I already got shelves and hooks on Cayenne's side. So, man, wish me luck on all of it, man. Hope I get the toolbox, and I hope this rain clears up so we can put the shelves up, man. All right, let's roll. Man, I'm glad something told me to call out there first, man. I called out there on Summer, and they checked, and the girl said they didn't have any in stock, but I can order it, and it'll be here, like they said, within 2 weeks. So I said, let me call the Collierville store. So I called out here, homeboy, whoever his name is, man, he told me to hold on. He was gonna go put his hands on it. So he went out there and put his hands on it. Yeah, he put his hands on it, man, and he said they got two colors. They got two different colors. And I'm like, man, he told me the colors are, it's really not one of my first choices. It really was like my third and fourth choice. But I gotta roll with what I can get, man, unless I wanna wait 2 weeks. I really wanna go and take care of this project now. You know, do my toolbox and put my shelving up. So I gotta pick one of the colors, man. He said they got a yellow and they got an orange, man. So I gotta see what I'm gonna get, man. I should be there in the next 5 minutes. So we'll be right back, man. All right. All right.
You ready to go now? What color vehicle do you have?
Oh, black Yukon.
Okay.
Load it up. That slick right there, y'all. I thought he was finna, me and him was gonna have to.
Give him some dip on it.
Oh, yeah. I can do that.
My seven, I'm keeping in my seven, I'm bouncing in my seven, I'm riding in my seven, I got the free game. My seven, I'm keeping in my seven, I'm bouncing in my seven, I'm riding in my seven,
Motherfucking free gas mix.